fact is, today was spoiled for choice over woodworking power tools. I'll repeat that. Today we are spoiled for choice over woodworking power tools. And as I'm young enough to remember the first readily available power tools back in the mid-1970s, and I've tested and reviewed many for the magazines over decades, I can say that today there are hardly any really cheaply made tools. In fact, they just wouldn't survive in this overcrowded marketplace. But this unprecedented choice does not give us the right to unfairly rubbish a tool on YouTube, which can potentially damage the reputation of a brand. And this is the case with the video that I watched the other day. Okay, so you came here to see a quick comparison between two fairly similar cordless wet and dry vacs. One is a top woodworking brand and the other maybe less well known. And of course there is a difference in price. So I thought I would do a very quick comparison here. But I'm going to start with the rubbish review I just mentioned, which actually showed ignorance on the part of the reviewer. The hose was fully stretched on the Evolution vac, resulting in whistling. Some elementary science here, as so does the more expensive Makita vac, and probably every other vac on the market. But who would use the hose fully extended in any case when it's a portable unit? Just use common sense and slide it up closer. Now, Evolution sent me the cordless vac to try out, and if you think I suck up to manufacturers, you're wrong. Makita recently sent me a cordless trimmer for inclusion in the revised edition of my book, and I featured it in several videos, but I was very quick to criticise the switch position and the plunge lock lever. But above all, why on earth is it called a trimmer when it can do so much more? You know, I should be paid for my suggestions. So I'll close with some basic features of both the Makita and Evolution cordless vacs and leave you to make your own judgments. Thanks for watching.